All right, so this morning we're here at the campus of the University of British Columbia. We're meeting Zoran Nesic. We're doing an install here at UBC, pretty similar to what we did at Kwantlen Polytechnic, but just on a much larger scale here, which is amazing. UBC is one of the largest universities in Canada, and yeah.
So what we're going to do today, we're going to install these new sensors inside and outside of one or two of those chamber units, and we're going to try to compare the measurements that happened before and after the chamber lid is closed, because the humidity and temperature will change as soon as the chamber closes. Also, we're going to try to get the sense of how the things change across the entire field and how well the sensors perform in real environment.
Here are pods used for greenhouse gas research. We're going to install our radios inside of them, and the pods are used to collect samples of greenhouse gases emitted by the plants and soil. So by putting our radios inside, we'll enable the researchers here at the university to get a profile of how rapidly the temperature and the humidity changes every time the dome opens and closes. And this will enable them to do better research on greenhouse gas capture.
Hey, so that's it. Install number 3 is done. All within a week. 2 installs in a week's time, isn't it? Less than a week.
It is.
1 week example, yeah. Yeah.
We're getting good at this.
We are getting good at this. So that's 3 pilots. So we're gonna check back in with UBC in about a month's time, probably.
We'll go back out and see if we can hook up a soil moisture sensor.
Yeah, and so anything on that?
Coffee was very good.
Coffee was very good. And that's pretty much it. I think we're done. Thanks for watching.